Welcome to this in-depth review of Wave Accounting, a popular, free accounting solution tailored for small business owners and freelancers. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step, highlighting its core features, usability, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for your accounting needs. Starting with the interface, Wave Accounting greets users with a clean and intuitive dashboard. This dashboard provides an at-a-glance view of your financial data, such as recent transactions, income, and expenses. The layout is well organized, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. One standout feature is the ability to customize this interface to display the most relevant information for your business. Wave's invoicing functionality is one of its strongest points. Creating and sending invoices is seamless, with options to personalize templates to reflect your brand. The software also supports automatic reminders for overdue payments, which is a huge plus for maintaining cash flow. The ability to integrate payment processing allows clients to pay directly from invoices via credit cards or bank transfers. Although the service incurs a transaction fee, expense tracking is equally impressive, with the option to link your bank accounts for automatic transaction import and categorization. The software's algorithm does a good job of predicting the correct categories for most transactions, saving you time during reconciliation. You could also manually upload receipts and match them to transactions for added accuracy. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, which can complement your business operations. Be sure to check them out after watching the video. Wave also offers robust financial reporting tools. Users can generate detailed profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports, all of which are essential for informed decision-making. These reports are customizable, enabling you to focus on the metrics most important to your business. One area where Wave may not fully meet your needs is payroll management. While it offers payroll services, they are only available in select regions and come with an additional cost. Furthermore, customer support is primarily accessible through email, which might be a limitation if you require immediate assistance. Security is another key consideration. Wave employs bank-level encryption and regular backups to ensure your financial data remains safe. This commitment to security is reassuring for users who handle sensitive financial information. Overall, Wave Accounting is an excellent tool for small business owners and freelancers looking for a cost-effective way to manage their finances. Its user-friendly interface, strong invoicing features, and comprehensive reporting tools make it a compelling option, especially for those on a budget. However, the lack of advanced payroll features and limited customer support might be a drawback for some. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us create more valuable reviews to guide your business decisions. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.